Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a Southwestern chicken and rice. This is a super simple recipe to throw together. We're going to put them in foil packets and bake them off in the oven. It's easy cleanup, so this one's a breeze. We've got some rice here that we want to let soak in just under 2 cups of water. You don't have to be super exact, just enough to kind of cover the rice. Just mix it together a little bit. And this is actually going to cook in the oven with the chicken, so you're not going to pre-cook your rice. Okay, so we're going to let this stand for about 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and assemble the rest of our packet. All right, so now we're ready to assemble our packet. So I'm going to take a chicken breast, put it in the bottom. I've just put a little bit of oil and some of the seasonings we're going to use on the chicken on the bottom so that it kind of gets it from both sides. Now we're going to season. A little salt, fresh cracked black pepper, have some chili powder. Okay, we have some broccoli. Okay. We've got some bell pepper. You could really throw in any veggies that you wanted to, so don't feel limited to just these. You could really mix and match whatever your family likes. We're going to throw some cheese in. Last but not least, we have our rice that has been soaking. And you can assemble these any way you want. If you want rice on the bottom, veggies on top, it's fine. All right, so now we're ready. I pull the 2 sides together. Crimp them over. Do the same on this end. You can fold the ends up kind of tight, and that'll trap the steam, which is what we want. All right, now if you get any little holes or any cracks or crevices, all you have to do is put a double layer of your foil on to add its protection. All right, so we've got a second layer of foil put on here. It's a nice packet. Everything's nice and tight, crimped down. Our oven's preheated to 400 degrees, and these are going to bake for 25 to 30 minutes. You're going to check them with a thermometer at the very end, but being a chicken breast of this size, 25 to 30 minutes should cook them all the way through. If you have bigger chicken breasts, you might want to adjust the time. But other than that, when you pull these out of the oven, you just want to be careful. Take a knife and carefully make a couple of slits to let some of the steam escape before you open it up all the way, because you don't want to burn your hands or your face by letting all the steam come out. So we've got that one ready. We're going to assemble another one real quick. And I'm just putting these in a baking dish. You could put them in on a flat sheet or even just throw them in the foil packets and it would be just fine. I've got just a little bit of water here. I'm going to put in the base. That'll kind of help to steam it just a little bit more. Won't hurt if you don't do that, but because I'm putting it in a deep vessel like this, I just want to do that, kind of help it along. All right, so we're going to pop these in the oven at 400 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes.